Hi everyone, I am Adira Raj from Access Language School. In today's session, I am going to share with you some beautiful words that you can use to express your feelings or some situations. However, when it comes to expressing your feelings or situations, you may feel like the words are not just enough for you to express. So let's learn some new words. So the first one is ineffable. So this word can be used when you want to express about or when you want to speak about something so great or something in extreme. Like for example, I will say it like ineffable love of mother. That means mother's love is ineffable or it's the greatest one or it is the extreme form of love. So the second word is limerence. Limerence means if you are so infatuated towards someone or you have a crush on someone and you are obsessively thinking about that person, then this situation can be described as what? Limerence. Then the third one is sonorous. Sonorous means someone is talking to you and you are compelled to listen to them, maybe because you like their voice. Or you can use this word to describe someone's voice which is so impressive or which is so full and deep. That is, you can listen to them for hours. And the next word is ebullience. Ebullience means on a day you are feeling like, okay, this is a perfect day for me or everything works for me today well, like that. That means you are full of positivity on that day or you are so cheerful. So in such situations, you can describe it as like ebullience. Then next word is ethereal. Ethereal means when someone is looking more beautiful and you are feeling like it's not real or you can't believe she is looking so much beautiful today. So that situation is described as ethereal. And the next word is epiphany. Epiphany means you are having a sudden realization or a revelation. That means at a particular moment you just get a great realization or a sudden realization about something. Then the last one is petrichor. I think most of you have experienced this situation because petrichor means it's an earthy smell that you get from the first rain after a long time. So I hope these words will be useful for you. For more videos, subscribe Access Language School.